My name is Kaz Saul, a director of MMX, working together with Obscura on a music production with Hope Masike and ExQ. This music anthem is dedicated to encouraging Zimbabweans to find the courage within themselves to seek their rights. And it takes a huge amount of courage for Zimbabweans to be able to stand up and demand their rights from the system.
I'm Kalai Barlow from Obscura Films, and I'm the director on Hope Masike's new music video, Shuwa. As a director, I really believe in putting content out there that is real and that people can connect and relate to, and this narrative is so beautiful and vulnerable in so many ways, and at the same time it has a kind of a quiet strength to it, and I really hope that people watching will be inspired and will find the courage to change their own narratives.
I don't know the Wopaka but I actually the right person for this, because everything that's happening in the world. There she is. How are you?
Hey.
You alright? There's a lot of things happening, and sometimes we tend to forget that we have a future. And the future ya munhu wese iri muma rights, makodzero dzake.
Up in the sky, then you know.
It's a wonderful experience meeting professionals like Hope Masike and ExQ, Mr. Potiti, and I'm just glad that as an upcoming actress, I'm part of this music video, and I hope this message is going to spread throughout Zimbabwe, and it's going to empower vulnerable girls and women out there.
When you see the sun up in the sky, then you know that hope is alive. If we stand as one and fight for our rights, we'll be strong.
It's been a wonderful production to work on with ExQ and Hope. Really fantastic musicians in Zimbabwe, and it's a great opportunity to be able to combine both our musical talents and a key message for Zimbabweans, which is to encourage them to seek their rights while they go through their daily lives. It's a very important message to try and get through to Zimbabweans, especially at this time.
We hope you will enjoy this video, because we have enjoyed working on the video, working on the song. It's been a great experience. We hope it will be a great experience for you too.
Wotosimuka, wotorwira kodzero dzako, wotoshingirira. Shuwa, Shuwa, Shuwa.